Hey guys, welcome back to the Drive Mod. Welcome back to another S650 mod video. Today, we've got the S650 up on jack stands. We're gonna be doing another modification to the car today. We are gonna be installing the Steeda rear subframe braces. We just got done installing the billet aluminum vertical links from Steeda. So definitely look in the video description below. Check that video up. I'll also include a pop-up in the upper corner of the screen to get you straight to that video if you wanna install those vertical links. But this video is gonna be installing the rear end subframe braces from Steeda, and that is going to be in combination with the vertical links. It's going to help us give us some more rear end stability, because we all know one of the downfalls of the independent rear suspension of the S550 and S650 Mustangs is wheel hop. Both of these modifications help eliminate wheel hop. So we've already got the car up on jack stands, we've got the wheels chalked, we're pretty much ready to get right into the install of getting those subframe braces installed on the car. Let's get to it. This is what you'll get in your Steeda rear subframe brace kit. It's well sorted. You've got both the subframe braces and you've got all new hardware, washers and bolts. Right, before we get these on the car, let's just show you where everything goes while it's off the car. Now this is the driver's side brace. So this is gonna mount right under where like the rear passenger seat would be. This is gonna mount on a place on the front of the subframe, and this is gonna mount at a place kind of midway back on the subframe. Here's all the hardware you get. These two bolts that look the same, they're the only two that look like that. These are gonna go up through the bottom like this into that. There's already a threaded portion in the subframe, so it's like they already thought people were gonna need this. These four bolts and these four similarly shaped washers, two of these are gonna go on the front of this one. The other two are gonna go in the front of the other brace. So again, we've got that odd bolt goes in the middle, and then these four back here, there's gonna be a pocket that you slide this into on the back of the subframe, and that's gonna go with the longer bolt, and then the shorter bolt nut and the similar shaped washer is gonna go in that last pocket. So then this one will go on the other subframe with that bolt, and there you go. So that's what comes in the kit, that's where it goes. Now we're gonna get these on the car. But first, we're gonna get everything mocked up and ready. All right, so we're looking at the passenger side of the car. Find those two bolts right there and look straight back. And that's where the front of the subframe brace is gonna mount. Then you follow this back here, follow it back to the front of the subframe. This is the subframe support bracket. That is where that is going to mount. And then right here where the lower toe arm comes into the subframe, these are the 2 points where the rear of the subframe brace is going to mount right there. And this is where that metallic pocket goes. So now that we've showed you where everything mounts, we're gonna get everything loosely bolted up. Just put everything in by hand and get it in place. You will have to remove that bolt right there, and you're gonna replace it with the supplied hardware. So just the rear 15mm bolt. And I misspoke on the rear. It's actually the short bolt that goes into the puck. Now we've got everything threaded in by hand, loosely in place. So now we can go ahead and tighten everything up. This side is fully secure. This is the passenger side. So we've got all the 218s, 15 and 215s up at the front, all tightened down. You're gonna need to have a wrench on the back side of this rear one to hold the nut, to allow this one to tighten down, but once it grabs onto the metal, you're pretty much good to tighten it down. So now we just gotta do the same to the driver's side. All right guys, we got both subframe braces hooked up to the car. Now all it's left to do is put the wheels back on and we are good to go. Now if you wanna get a set of Steeda rear subframe braces, Steeda billet vertical links, or anything Steeda offers on their website, as long as it's Steeda branded, use promo code DRIVERMOD5 and you'll save 5% off everything they have to offer that is Steeda branded. So now we're gonna get the wheels back on the car, take it for a little test drive. But as far as this video is concerned, we're done here. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe on the way out for more S650 content. Drop a comment down below, like the video, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.